Kindly subscribe to YouTube channel and follow on Facebook page at Dr. Zabby's Talk Show.
Aki gbogbo wa nílé lóko lẹ́yìn odi mo kí wa ipa akúbójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí mo kí ẹ̀yin ìyá mo kí ẹ̀yin bàbá mo kí ẹ̀gbọ́n mo kí àbúrò èmi ọmọ yín olólùfẹ́ yín ayé ọpẹ́ yọ lọ́dọ̀ títí yín náà quick one. Má ṣe dojú àdúrà tì mí o má ṣe dojú àdúrà tì mí àfi kọ́ lóun má dojú àdúrà tì gbogbo wa ni o. Ṣe rí àwọn nǹkan kan wà tó jẹ́ wípé àwọn òyìnbó ó ronú yẹn títí wípé ẹ má jẹ́ kí n sọ torí wípé kí ni ẹlòmíì á máa wò ó ẹlòmíì ó ní ọ̀rọ̀ àròkàn ló ń fa ẹkún àsùndákẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ àròkàn ló ń fa ẹ̀sùn àsùndákẹ́ eléyìí tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí eléyìí pọ̀ eléyìí lágbára àrírú ẹ̀rí àfíndẹ́rùbọ̀ lọ́rọ̀ ni èèyàn fẹ́ sọ wípé kò ń ṣe pé èèyàn ò rírú ẹ̀rí ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ó tún ṣẹlẹ̀ ó tún repeat ara ẹni mo máa ń sọ wípé téèyàn bá sọ pé òun ń ṣépè ẹ̀ ń wá ṣépè wọ́n wá àwọn obìnrin wá jáde wọ́n wá èpè ó rán àwọn pípù yìí eléyìí gba omi lójú ìkà tẹ́ bá gbọ́ ìkà ayé àti ọ̀run ìkà ayé àti ọ̀run eléyìí pọ̀ tó bá jẹ́ ní ìlú òyìnbó ní àwọn nǹkan yìí ló ti ṣẹlẹ̀ àrírú ẹ̀ rí ó pẹ́ jù ó pọ̀ jù ká tó rí 3 months wọ́n máa mú wọn balẹ̀ wọ́n máa mú wọn balẹ̀ mo máa gbé wá èmi ò rírú eléyìí rí tí wọ́n bá sọ pé wọn ò rírú eléyìí rí àfíndẹ́rùbọ̀ lọ́rọ̀ ni ojú wọn leléyìí wọn ò fi ojú bò àti onílé àti àlejò gbogbo àwọn tó ń ṣe ìjọba Nàìjíríà bọ́ bá kú re ọ̀ní sùn re o èmi ò fẹ́ káwọn èèyàn máa ṣépè tù because mi rò wípé èpè yẹn ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún wọn bọ́ ẹ kàn jẹ́ ká máa fi tinútinú ká fi máa sọ̀rọ̀ fún wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ ká fi máa sọ fún wọn ká kàn fi máa sọ wípé tẹ́ bá kú re ẹ̀ ní sùn re àrọ́mọdọ́mọ yín wọ́n máa dààmú mà ní eléyìí pọ̀ because àwọn people yìí ń gbọ́ wa ó ń rí àwọn videos lóríṣiríṣi báwa náà ṣe rí làwọn náà rí bọ̀kán kàn fẹ́ mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ bá yé ìran àwọn dúdú jẹ́ ni wọ́n kàn ń gba àwọn òyìnbó láyè láti jẹ́ kán fi eléyìí ti máa pọ̀ jù eléyìí máa pọ̀ jù eléyìí máa ti pọ̀ jù kí ló dé tó bá jẹ́ pé wọn ò rí fídíò ojú àwọn people yìí ni it's another thing bó.
والله ما شاء الله يا جماعه قروش قدر ده ما شاء الله شوفوا قراي يا جماعه يا اخي ما بترتب زاده والله العظيم ما بترتب زاده هاي الله اكبر ابشر الله هاي ده كله مالك يزال ابشر دي كلها قروش بس هاي والله هاي ابشر يا عم مساكن ابشر والله ما شاء الله دول كيزان هاي والله ما شاء الله والله دي قروش الكيزان كلب هاي طبعا في المويه سهل يا اخي انت بس مالك كده قوي زياده ده تعب بس يا والله ما شاء الله لا ينقولوا فيك يا اول شنو كيف يا جماعه ابشروا يا جماعه قرص راقد ما بترتب زاد ما عيب رتبها كيف زاد هاي دي قروش الكيزان اول حاجه دي قروش هاي ودي قروش دي برضه ما بترتب زاد دي برضه قروش دي برضه قروش دي برضه قروش عربية مليانة قروش رتب القروش دي برضه قروش هاي ده كله قرطبس والله ابشر يا عمك ابشر والله امرك فوق يا ابشر عمك كده بتنزل في الصورة دي ابشر الله اكبر ننشر عليه برهان الكلب مالك كيزان ودي كل عربية مليانة قروش هاي ابشر هاي فلول دل هاي شوف الفلول دل دي كلها قرطبس هاي والله ولاد الكلب هاي لكن جرو والله جرو دنقاس
Today is 30th, have we? 30th. Money going to given to the kidnappers. This money is going to be delivered to the kidnappers. Our brothers were kidnapped since 1 week plus now. On Friday. This money were contributed to, not that they have money, poor people, they were kidnapped. Look at it. This stuff here, 10 million naira cash with both food, rice, chicken, food, drinks, 50 black bullets. Look at them, food, jollof rice with chicken, turkey.
10 plates of jollof rice.
Yeah, it's not this thing, this is cash. 1 week plus now, nothing. Some of these videos I dropped, there are other videos I cannot drop on the social media space. There are key strategic areas that we visit that I cannot post, you understand. But this is to tell you the effort that we've put in. Not that we sit down in our houses and make noise. No, people who know me very well and who know people who move with us understand the risk that we take, just for the safety of our people. So we made several efforts, but because we don't have enough technology help, assistance. Reason why we sometimes we seem that we're not doing enough, because we're not getting that support from those who are supposed to, who are empowered to do this, to give to us. We're not getting the support. All right. So this is abavo that we wear at the night. This is Ute Okpo, in Car North East local government area. So these are some of the areas that we've visited. We traveled, trying to locate these guys to rescue our brothers, although some of the movement failed. All right. Okay, now, Ubuluku, we traveled from Ubuluku to Obio Akumazi. Obio Orolobo Akumazi, Ubnede, Utulupu, Utokpu, moved down to Abavo. We moved down to Abavo. Abavo, you drove down again to go into Mutu. Urorugbe, yeah, this is the name. From Abavo down to this road, it's not motorable. It's not motorable. So this is the man that was kidnapped. This is the young man. After we paid 10 million naira. 10 million naira we paid. Look at him here. 2 weeks. Since before Easter they kidnapped them. Wow. This is the second. Four of them. 9 kidnapped now. So this is a Honorable Uche, councillor in Ward. It's everyday thing. And today, thank God, they are out from the kidnappers. Then, after paying 10 million naira and foodstuff worth 1 million naira, both rice and other items which I cannot mention here, that they collected before they released them. Don't mind the way I look, okay? It's normal. It's just work. Hey, bros, hello, bros. Today, something happened today. Our brothers, two of our brothers were kidnapped before Easter holiday, and they have been inside the bush for the past since on Friday before Easter, and the kidnappers were demanding for ransom. From 5 million naira, they increase it to 10 million naira. So, and this person they kidnapped don't even have this money to pay. They don't have this money to pay. This person, the kidnappers refused to release our two brothers. We pleaded and pleaded, they refused. What do? Can't leave them in the hands of the kidnappers with the threat of killing them. Because the previous threat they threatened us, they also killed. This is not the first killing, second killing, or the third killing. It has, is repeated, repeated kidnapping and killing within our place. So our community decided to contribute money. We started raising the money. This is it. Some raised 1,000, 2,000, millions of naira was contributed. About 10 million naira. They now asked us to even buy more items, which we bought. This is not the first, the second, or the third. I have been reporting these cases on the media. Today, being the 1st of May, we gathered the money with what they requested, the food items they requested. We traveled from Ubuluku to Urorobe. I don't know what they call it. Edo State, not even Delta. So these guys trekked from Ubuluku, crossed Obio, crossed Akumazi, crossed Umunede, crossed Otolopo, crossed Ekukwagbo, crossed Abab, crossed how many communities they crossed with the leg? And they got to where they got to. They camped there. I want to go to that community today. They said that's the camp. Now that place where they go, now there, then that means they have been terrorized. They have been in that place. Everybody knows that these people, that place is where they stay. That's where they stay. So when we came back today, the youth were angry, and they were angry. Because they were angry, in less than 30 minutes, what we saw in Ubuluku was more than 15 patrol vehicles from the same government that have refused to hear our cries since.
Ojú rèé nǹkan tẹ́lẹ̀ fi trace wọn gbogbo àwọn tó wá láti Libya tó ń wá sí Nàìjíríà gbogbo bó ṣe ń pariwo adẹ̀ ti pariwo yìí níbi tá a dẹ̀ máa wá tó wá lọ sọ sí ni wípé àwọn èèyàn ò tí ì rẹ́dì. Àwọn èèyàn ò tí ì rẹ́dì. Kò ń ṣe pé àwọn èèyàn ti fẹ́ kú, àwọn èèyàn ti fẹ́ kú tán, but still wọn ò tí ì rẹ́dì. Kí ni wọn ò tí ì rẹ́dì fún wípé because ariwo tó yẹ kí a máa gbọ́, ariwo tó yẹ káwọn èèyàn máa pa ń sìn òun ni wípé níbi tó dé yìí ẹ tiẹ̀ jẹ́ ká lọ dán wò ẹ wá pín wa. Ó dẹ̀ jẹ́ kó ní kálukú ẹ jẹ́ kó lọ nílò ẹ jẹ́ kó ní kálukú lọ́jọ́ orúkọ bàbá ẹ̀. Ariwo tó yẹ ká máa gbọ́ ní left and right nìyẹn. But àwọn èèyàn owó epo wọn Tinubu ti jẹ́ képo lọ òkè. Tinubu ò fún wa níṣẹ́. Tinubu ò fún wa lómi. Tinubu ò fún wa ní kinní kan. Òun làwọn èèyàn ń pariwo. Bọ̀ wípé kán pariwo. Àwọn pípù yìí máa gbọ́ ariwo yẹn. Ẹ̀rù dẹ̀ máa bà wọ́n. Àwọn olóṣèlú ò ṣáà ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pín owó tán fẹ́ pín. Bọ̀ ẹ máa rí wípé àwọn èèyàn gan wọ́n ti wà confused. Wọn ò mọ kí ló tiẹ̀ wá fẹ́ ṣe. Wọn ò mọ nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣe mọ́. Wọn ò mọ nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣe mọ́. Wọn ò mọ nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣe mọ́. Àwọn èèyàn mọ nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣe mọ́.
Good morning, my fellow Nigerians. I am Pastor Abundance Collins Ifeanyi, and I reside in Kogo 2, Buhari FCT Abuja, the Federal Capital Authority of Nigeria. Last 2 years, I planted crops, half acre of crops in Jeina village, Buhari, and I spent over 400,000 naira. And the Fulani herdsmen came and destroyed all the crops that I planted. That was last 2 years. Last year, I planted again in Kogo extension, just 100 by 100. And at the Time of harvest of my crops, the Fulani herdsmen came and they destroyed everything. This is my compound and this is my church. And I usually plant crops here. So last year we planted this banana and plantain here. The banana would have grown up to this height and ready for reproduction by June this year. But unfortunately, the Fulani herdsmen came and they eat their banana and plantain to the ground. It grew again. They eat it down to the ground. It grew again. And I saw one of them. I was lucky enough to be here and I saw them. And I beat them and I told them, this is my compound and my crops. Stop destroying my property. Funny enough, they left and they came back again. Repeated the same thing and I beat them again. Funny enough, they left and they came back the third time. And they cut down this plantain and destroyed the crops. Not only my crops, along with other people who plant in their compounds. So yesterday, me and one elderly man, we chased the cattle away and the boys away. Then I went back home. And when I came back, I heard that these Fulani herdsmen were threatening to kill the old man in Kogo community, FCT Abuja, and waste his blood. Now, I'm sending this message to Mr. President Tinubu, to the FCT Minister Wike, to the FCT Senator Ireti, and to the House of Rep of Amagbari Obika. You people are a disgrace to Nigerians and a shame to your office. If tiny Fulani herdsmen who are not strong as a broom could terrorize FCT and be killing people, and you claim to be leaders, shame on you. Shame on your generation. You are a disgrace. Now, the Chief of Army Staff reside in FCT. The police IG reside in FCT. Same thing as the Air Force and the Navy. And farmers are not safe, even in their own compound. Now, I want to pass this message clear to the Nigerian government. At the same time, I'm sending this message to all the Fulani herdsmen in the whole world. Fulani herdsmen, hear me clearly. You are free to destroy people as you like. I can't stop you. If you like, even enter a sort of kill Tinubu, burn everybody, pursue IG or police. That one is your cup of tea. But I will not be alive. And you come to my compound and threaten me, I will waste you. Now hear this. If you are one Fulani herdsman and you came against my crops, I will come against your cattle. If you fight me, I will fight you. And if you want to kill me, I will kill you. And hear this, I will not die, you will die. I am the 21st century Elijah, the New Testament John the Baptist. I cannot be killed. You have your guns. You have your government. You have foreign aids. I have Jesus. And I'm coming against you in the name of Jesus Christ. It is not everything you can kill. Any Fulani herdsman who enter this my compound, I'm not in the bush, I'm in the city. In the intent to threaten my life, you will not go back alive. I'm not threatening you. I'm giving you a deadly warning. I am not an easy-going type. And if you want to learn by correction, make the first attempt. That is my message to all the Fulani herdsmen worldwide. Stay off my property. You are free to go anywhere and do anything. That's your cup of tea. But if you come to my territory, the Jesus I carry is more than your armies. You will not go back alive. It is not a threat. It's a warning. God bless Nigerians. We will keep standing strong. We will grow. We will rise. And we will be better. And no devil anywhere, no tiny broom Fulani herdsman anywhere can tell us how to live our life. God bless Nigerians and God punish all the Fulani herdsmen.
Do not vote for Fulani anymore. Stop praying behind the Fulani scholars. Stop respect Fulani traditional ruler. They are all Boko Haram leader. To be frankly with you, let me tell you something, Nigerian. Badar Abubakar, Minister of Defense, he is a terrorist. He is a terrorist. Nuhurubado is a terrorist. Balla Matawalle, former governor of Zamfara, is a terrorist. El Rufai, Atiku Abubakar, Rabi Musa Kwankwaso, Sunusi Lami Sunusi, Sila Lamido, Gumi, Pantami, Abdallah Gadankaya, Yahya Jingir, Mansur Sokoto, all of them supporting this terrorist activity, which Fulani doing now. To be frankly with you, those people carrying gun around Nigeria, they are not a real terrorist. A real terrorist is Shaitan of Sokoto. If we want peace in this country, we have to catch them. As they catch Balla Badejo, Mieta Allah leader. He's in prison now. But he is a little leader. If we want peace in this country, so we have to catch Shaitan of Sokoto or Sultan of Sokoto. He is a big leader of terrorists in this country. If we want peace in this country, we have to catch Tahir Bauchi, Azazagi, Karibala, Yahya Jingir, Gumi. If we want peace, if we want peace in Nigeria, we have to catch these people. Seriously, all of them are terrorists. They are the leader of Boko Haram. Yes, they are the leader of Boko Haram. Who is Boko Haram? Buba Maro Metesini, who's unalive millions of Hausa people. I was a little girl. Many of them, you don't know about him. Buba Maro Metesini, he is a Fulani man. Sheikh Shagari brought him to Nigeria. He is in Cameroon. More than 2 million houses. Buba Maro Metesini unalive them. He used religion. Hausa people, we have to wake up. Do not let anyone to use religion to deceive you. They don't care about religion, Fulani. They don't have religion. They don't have religion. As they don't have land, they don't have culture, they don't have clothes, they don't have dignity. They are gypsy. So why you let this gypsy to deceive you? Hausa people, we have great history. We are nice people. We are very peaceful people. Stop marry Fulani women. And thank you, because I heard a lot of good news. Thousands of Hausa people divorce Fulani women. It really makes me happy. Thanks, Hausa people. Thank you, Hausa people. You make me happy. Because we don't want any children between Hausa and Fulani. We don't like them. We are clean, nice people. We don't want mix our blood with the evil people. Look at them. Hausa people, do you remember when Fulani burned 42 houses in the bus? No one single Fulani say anything about it. Do you remember? When Fulani unalive 200 Hausa Muslim in the mosque during Friday prayer? Do you remember when Fulani unalive Hausa Christian in the churches in Kaduna State? No one say anything about it. How about Jos? How about Benue? How about Taraba? How about Kaduna, Southern Kaduna? Fulani unalive people day and night. No one say anything. So our life have no value? This is a question for Nigerian people. My name is Banji Tami.
All right, guys, you've all heard it now. As you can see, the Hausa people are saying the Fulanis should leave their land. This is not a joke. They say they have caused them so much that they should go. Nigerians, and they tell you, matter don't come off for be careful like.
Ariwo tó yẹ kó máa lọ jù òun ni wípé alẹ́ wá pé wa. Ìyá mi ojú kòrókòró báyìí pẹ̀lú gbogbo nǹkan tí àwọn brothers wa yìí nǹkan tán go through nǹkan tí wọ́n go through. Ìyá mi bá mi ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àtàbúrò mi. Ẹ wá wo níbi tí wọ́n ti gbé ojú jáde tán jubilate ní owó tiwa. Owó ìlú Nàìjíríà because àti ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa náwó mi. Owó Nàìjíríà. Kẹ́ wo owó Nàìjíríà ṣe ń rí bọ́n ṣe ṣe owó. Ṣe rí ṣe tún rí owó tó ń gbé lọ fún wọn. Àwọn pípù yìí mọ nǹkan tán lè ṣe bọ̀ torí wípé nǹkan ogun ni àwọn pípù yẹn náà jẹ́ fún wọn. Àwọn náà ń rí wọn lò ní Gúnmi ò fi bo. Ó mọ̀ àwa náà dẹ̀ mọ̀ a mọ̀ wọ́n Gúnmi náà dẹ̀ mọ̀ wọ́n. Èmi làwọn Àtíkù gbogbo wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn gbogbo wọn ló mọ àwọn pípù yìí. Vice president yín náà òun náà mọ gbogbo àwọn aṣáàrí picture ẹ̀ níbi tóun náà ti ń fún àwọn èèyàn tó ń gbówó lọ fáwọn èèyàn. Ariwo tó yẹ káwọn èèyàn wá máa pa nísìnyí wípé àníkẹ́ pín wa ilé ti tó lọ ǹjẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ èèyàn kan ò kí ń já wa dé àwa tá a wà lẹ̀ kéré àtìgbà tí onítìrí dẹ̀ rèé tó ti wá tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé wọ́n gbé iṣẹ́ yẹn iṣẹ́ ọdún mẹ́jọ náà gbé fún Dúpẹ́ iṣẹ́ ọdún mẹ́jọ ọ̀tọ̀ náà gbé fún Dúpẹ́ ó dìgbà tí Tinubu bá kúrò ńbẹ̀ kí kọ́ńtíráàtì tán jọ sáìn kó tó tán bá a ṣe ń gbé wá sókè ní onítìrí ló ń gbé lọ sàlẹ̀ bá a ṣe ń ṣe ní kọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló ní gbogbo àwọn tó jẹ́ wípé atẹnubọlẹ̀ gbogbo àwọn tó máa sọ pé rálì dé ìgbà yẹn náà lòun náà máa ní rálì dé àwọn ẹni ẹlẹ́ni àwọn èèyàn léèyàn àṣé bàbá 80 years wà ń bẹ̀ tó lọ tó wà lágodi wọ́n mà ṣì wà ń bẹ̀ Dúpẹ́ mà sọ wípé òun gbàlú fún yín ó lóun ti gbà ó ní kẹ́ máa jubilate ó ní kẹ́ máa jó kẹ́ máa yọ Jésù ti gbà fún wa Ọlọ́run ti bá wọn ṣe àwọn ó dà pé wọ́n tiẹ̀ ti ń celebrate bíi 2 years táwọn ti wà lórí oyè èmi ò rẹ́ni tẹ́pẹ́ jà tó wú mà yẹn àti gbogbo àwọn tán ṣì wà ń bẹ̀ ẹ wá wo gbogbo owó ẹ wá wo gbogbo àwọn ènìyàn tó ti gbọ̀n sọnù gbogbo owó tí Dúpẹ́ ti gbọ̀n sọnù àní tí nǹkan tí mo kọ́kọ́ sọ ni pé tí àwọn èèyàn kan bá sọ wípé no àwọn tiẹ̀ wọ tẹ́lómi bá sọ pé òun ò ní gbàgbọ́ òun kàn tiẹ̀ wà ní pé òun ò ní gbàgbọ́ lórí pé tọ́lọ́run bá wà lókè ìyà tó ń jẹ Áfíríkà yìí ìyà tó ń jẹ wá yìí ó ti pọ̀ jù àwọn tó ń gbé ẹ̀sìn tó ní ká gbàgbọ́ wá fún wa yìí irọ́ náà wá pa fún wa sẹ́ irọ́ náà pa fún wa irọ́ náà pa fún wa Ọlọ́run tá a tán ń sọ yìí Ọlọ́run tí wọ́n yìí tó bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò gbọ́dọ̀ máa rí báyìí ẹ wo iye àwọn èèyàn tó ń kú ní ojoojúmọ́ ìyá mi bá mi ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àtàbúrò mi ẹ wo tábà ní ká tẹnu bọ̀rọ̀ ẹ máa tún gbọ́ nǹkan tí brọ́dà wa náà sọ Benny Lane ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ.
Yorùbá Fulanization ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ẹ máa ṣe àwọn fídíò wa fún àwọn èèyàn kan lè mọ̀ pé nǹkan tán ti gbàgbọ́ láti ìgbà tán ti wà ní kékeré irọ́ lásán ni Arab level àti Jerusalem level lásán ni gbogbo kan tí wọ́n gbàgbọ́ láti kékeré so kí àwọn èèyàn kó ojú àwọn èèyàn ó là sí gbogbo nǹkan wọ̀nyí kán lè mọ̀ pé àwọn èèyàn tó ń bá gbé òun ṣẹni tán lè bá gbé kán lè mọ̀ pé gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tó wà ní sàkání àwọn o táwọn rí èèyàn gidi wọn kì í ṣe èèyàn gidi o nítorí náà èèyàn wa ẹ tẹ́kọ́ lọ sí podcast wa ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ náà ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ni mo ti sọ níbẹ̀ tó wà ní page mi mo ti post link yẹn sí page mi lórí Facebook ẹ máa rí bẹ́ẹ̀ èèyàn wa so kí ẹ click lé link yẹn kẹ́ lọ wo lórí YouTube mo dẹ̀ máa tún post part of the bar òun ló jọ àwa lójú, òun ló jẹ àwa lógún torí ìlú yìí ni wọ́n fi orí àwa sọlẹ̀ sí. Ibẹ̀ la dẹ̀ fẹ́ gbé, ibẹ̀ ló wù wá gbé, ibẹ̀ ló wù wá ká ṣe nǹkan sí, ibẹ̀ làwa fẹ́ gbé ṣe rere. So a kàn lè máa gbé ibi tọ́kàn wa ò ti ní balẹ̀, a dẹ̀ ní gbé ibi tí àwọn ẹ̀sìn kan ti máa fún wa ní ìpaláyà. Èèyàn wa ilẹ̀ Yorùbá yìí náà nìkan la ní, a níbi míì. A lè gbàwé l'Amẹ́ríkà, a lè gbàwé ní UK, a lè gbàwé ní any European country, ṣùgbọ́n nínú dọ́kúmẹ̀ntì wọn ó sì máa fi hàn pé ọmọ Nàìjíríà ni wá, Nàìjíríà origin ni wá. Ṣùgbọ́n ìwé ìlú wa ní láti gba àwa fúnra wa lání. Tí ìlú yìí bá dáa, àwa la máa enjoy àtàwọn ìran wa. Ibi táwa ti ń san iye kan, àwọn ọmọ nílùú kan ò san iye kan náà. Lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ nínú wa èèyàn máa wá lọ jẹ̀yà gbàwé, lẹ́yìn tó bá gbàwé tán ló ṣẹ̀ tún lè máa live bí ènìyàn gidi. Ṣùgbọ́n nílùú tiwa tá ti nídìí ìwé ńkọ́, ṣe àwa ló yẹ ká máa gbádùn jù ní gbogbo àgbáyé. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn Fúlàní náà ni àwọn ni ò jẹ́ kí a mọ ibi tí à ń lọ. So wọ́n dẹ̀ ti ń kó wa lẹ́rú ẹ̀sìn lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Ìyẹn náà ní kẹ́yìn èèyàn wa kẹ́ tú jáde ní yẹ́yẹ́, kẹ́ má jẹ́ kán gba ilẹ̀ wa lọ́wọ́ wa. Ẹ máa ṣe awareness, ẹ máa ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ ìtanijí fún àwọn èèyàn, ẹ máa ṣe àwọn fídíò wa fún àwọn èèyàn kan kí àwọn náà kan jí, kan má sùn. Ìgbà yẹn ni a lè bọ́ nínú oko ẹrú tí wọ́n ń gbé bọ̀ yìí. Nítorí náà èèyàn wa, ẹ máa bá wa like àwọn fídíò wa, ẹ máa share, ẹ post ẹ sí story yín. Àwọn fídíò tẹ́ bá rí pa post, ẹ post ẹ sí story yín. Láti story yín yẹn ó máa dé ọ̀dọ̀ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn. Ẹ share lórí WhatsApp, ẹ share lórí TikTok, ẹ share lórí Facebook, ẹ share ní gbogbo ibi tẹ́ bá ti ní social media sí. Àwọn link yẹn lásán ó lọ fà. Dé àwọn orin wa ẹ máa bá wa gbọ́. Tẹ́ bá ti gbọ́, ẹ share link tẹ́ fi gbọ́ yẹn, ẹ share pẹ̀lú àwọn èèyàn, káwọn èèyàn náà kí wọ́n mọ̀ pé ẹnìkan wà tó ń kọrú orin báyìí. So ìgbà yẹn ni a lè débi táyé máa bú àwọn èèyàn lórí Spotify, ẹ gbọ́ lórí Apple Music. Àwọn ibẹ̀ wọn yẹn ni ẹ ti lè tètè gbé wa dé ibi tí àwọn olórin àgbà nílẹ̀ Nàìjíríà wà. Ẹ máa gbọ́ wọn lórí Spotify, ẹ máa subscribe fún premium Spotify Nigeria is just 2.
Gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ káàárọ̀ ìjíire lé ní o. Ẹ jíire lé ní ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá o. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo fẹ́ bá yín sọ lé ní, mi ò fẹ́ kẹ́ sọ pé nà láyé o. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ gbámú. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá, ogun ti dé. Ifá tí mo dá láàárọ̀ yóò gbé alára ni. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá o, mi ò ní pè é ló gbè túra fún yín. Ó gbè kúléjọ ni mo máa pè é. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin babaláwo ẹ ní sí àti ṣe. Ifá ní kí gbogbo ọmọ babaláwo pápátá kán ní ó gbè túra lójú ọpọ́n. Kán pè é ní pé ibi tí nǹkan ti lè dàrú. Kán wá sọ wípé gbogbo àwọn tó fẹ́ kógun jalè Yorùbá pátá látòní lọ kí ìmọ̀ wọn má kò. Kán kọjú ìjà síra wọn, kó gbè túra, kó tú wọn ká. Tó bá tó bí 30 ṣẹ́jú, gbogbo ẹ̀yin babaláwo ẹ tún parapọ̀, ẹ tún dẹ ogbè túra yẹn sójú ọpọ́n. Ẹ wá pè é lógbè ọ̀la, ogbè kúléjọ. Gbogbo ẹnu ọmọ Yorùbá pátá kẹnu wọn kókò. Gbogbo ogun ìpátá kásẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ sọ̀tẹ̀ ara yín, ogun ti dé. Kábíyèsí ọba Ọ̀ni Ìgbò méjì ẹkùn. Kábíyèsí ká dé kó pẹ́ lórí, kí bàtọ̀ kó pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀, ìrùkẹ̀rẹ̀ kó pẹ́ lọ́wọ́, ọ̀dùgbọ̀rọ̀mọkùn kó pẹ́ lọ́rùn, ẹsẹ̀ ọba kó jogun pẹ́pẹ́. Kábíyèsí, ogun ti dé, ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dúró. Ó gbé ọ̀la ní Ifá tí mo dá lérí ilẹ̀ ọ̀kàrọ̀ òtù òjíire bí. Kábíyèsí o, láàfin ẹ pé àwọn àgbààgbà jọ. Ìgìrìpá ajá kan, ẹ̀fọ́ òdú, iṣu sísun pẹ̀lú àgbì ẹmu kán fi bọ Ògún. Ogun tó ń bọ̀ yìí, Ògún ni kó jà á, kó dojú ìjà káwọn ọ̀tá. Ogun ti wọ àárín wa torí ogun ti dé. Kábíyèsí o, tẹ́ bá ti ṣe lẹ́yìn ẹ̀, inú á dùn. Ètùtù tó wà ńbẹ̀ màá ṣe fúnra mi níbí torí Ṣàngó ló mọ̀ dé òjò lọ́run. Kábíyèsí, káàdé kó pẹ́ lórí, kò ní bàjẹ́ nígbà tí yín o. Kò ní bàjẹ́ nígbà tí yín o. Ogun òkòtù fẹ̀rí, ogun ò ní kó nígbà tí yín. Kábíyèsí.
Ó wá gba ilẹ̀ wa ní ẹ̀sìn kan ló wá gbé wá fún wa. History ló ń repeat ara ẹ̀ yìí. Tẹ́ lè mọ̀ wípé ọ̀rọ̀ wípé ẹ má fọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn sí. Ó tì o, ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn kan lélẹ́yìí. Àwọn pípù ìbèbí ti ṣẹ́jú ní ìgbà yẹn 500 years ago. bí àwọn 2% ló lè kọ́ náà lè kà ní ìran Áfíríkà wọ́n gbé wá fún wa ni wọ́n gbé wá fún àwọn bìrìtìkó náà ni do as I say ni ṣé ẹ máa gba nǹkan tá a gbé wá àwọn Roman Empire náà gbé wá wọ́n pa àwọn bìrìtìkó wọ́n pa wọ́n rẹpẹtẹ káwọn náà tó di àwọn tó gba nǹkan tó ń gbé wá fún wọn ẹ lọ ka history wọn lẹ́yìn nǹkan wọ́n ti gbé padà fún wọn wọ́n ti jùlẹ̀ fún wọn eku ń ké bí eku ẹyẹ ń ké bí ẹyẹ ẹ wo àwa tá a gbà á ẹ wo gbogbo ibi tí ìgbésí ayé Áfíríkà ẹ wo ibi tí ìgbésí ayé wa ẹ wo ibi tó dé lọ́jọ́ títí òní nǹkan yìí náà ìfi ń balẹ̀ jẹ́ títí di ọ̀la ọlọ́la nǹkan yìí náà fi ń balẹ̀ jẹ́ ó ń jí àwọn èèyàn gbé wọ́n tún gba ilẹ̀ ẹ wo fídíò eléyìí náà mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lo fídíò yẹn ni.
This is Father Eniyan, the parish priest of St. Ignatius. Ayambalom. Everybody is gone here.
Just like desert.
It's a desert now. Maningi just this beautiful place. We are going to leave all these things behind. For who? For the Fulanis, of course. Kako government was a soldier. They want the Fulanis to occupy Nigeria and remain in Nigeria alone. Can you be a I ask again, who is to stop this? Who? They are busy in Abuja doing nothing, practically nothing. Out of our one small petty issue, but when life is at stake, people are dying. Go to Aso Rock. What is Tinubu doing? I don't know. Except to fly to France, to Dubai, and everywhere. Why his people are dying? This is our village. We don't have anywhere else to go to. See, yeah, man. Now you allow Fulanis to come and take over our land. Are they more superhuman beings than us? Are they more Nigerians than us? Just tell me. You say Nigeria, Fulanis are global people. Nonsense. Nonsense. Will you accept that I go to the far north and begin to cultivate my yam and maize? Will they allow me to do that? But here you say let them come and... You talk about transhuman or whatever humans. Protocol or whatever ECOWAS. You see all kinds of jargons. What kind of nonsense is this? Life is at stake. People are being displaced. Just do something. If you're overwhelmed, invite the international community to come and help you. Haba. But Pocho will still be there. Everybody is doing Pocho. Government is doing Pocho. Tinubu is doing Pocho at his level. The governors are doing Pocho at their own level. Everybody is doing Pocho. Pocho people everywhere. No wonder somebody said Nigeria is a shithole country. Okay, you have displaced these people. Where do you expect them to go to? Where? Would they come and meet you in Abuja? Haba, what is happening? Nigga be church ne? Nigga be. Now nobody is here. Kai. Move on, like the song was stopping me. Don't come, there's nobody here. I said, Bishop said I should come and pick Father Fair. See a village. He said them. They were very, very frustrated and waiting for me. Who is to stop this? I'm asking again. Who is to stop this? Must everything be all about politics? People are dying. Please, this government, rise to your responsibility. Be accountable. For once, I beg, try. Where is that Nigeria? Those Nigerian soldiers that are known to be very brave, where are they? Or have they also been compromised? Kai, no. I don't know. If you don't come, we are finished. They are just like nothing.
Tírú fídíò yìí tó bá ń lọ bí 500 nílẹ̀ ilẹ̀ Nàìjíríà ẹ̀rí ẹ̀ wá sọ fún mi ṣé ilẹ̀ kan ló wá gbà ṣé sì lọ́ mú wá yẹn tó ń lé àwọn tó ń nílẹ̀ kúrò nínú ilẹ̀ wọn because ẹ bá wọn ṣe ẹ̀sìn kan náà ẹ ń ṣe nǹkan kan náà wọ́n dẹ̀ ti fún wọn lówó wọ́n ti sọ nǹkan tó máa ṣe fún wọn. Ìyá mi bá mi ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àtàbúrò mi ẹ wò ó àwọn èèyàn mo rí wípé wọn ò tí ì rẹ́dì mo rí wípé àwọn èèyàn ò tí ì rẹ́dì wọn ò tí ì rẹ́dì èèyàn kan kì í dágbó ṣe àwa tá a wà ńlẹ̀ a kéré bí nǹkan míì àwọn èèyàn ti sinmi wọ́n ti relax ìsinyìí gangan opportunity gangan lélẹ́yìí short video nígbà ní corner ní everywhere tó yẹ kó máa rí wípé àwọn èèyàn ń pariwo àwọn èèyàn ń pariwo àwọn èèyàn ń pariwo àti ẹ̀ lọ́ba náà àláwọn ọba náà àníjòyè náà bó àwọn tó tiẹ̀ wá jẹ́ individual àwọn èèyàn ọkùnrin obìnrin ọmọ kékeré àgbà nǹkan tó yẹ kó máa pariwo ń sìn nìyẹn ẹ tú wa sílẹ̀ ó dẹ̀ jẹ́ a lọ ẹ tú wa sílẹ̀ ó dẹ̀ jẹ́ a lọ ẹ tú wa sílẹ̀ ó yẹ jẹ́ a lọ kò sí nǹkan tó jọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́ o nǹkan àwọn náà dè mọ́mọ́ plan ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n fẹ́ febi pa everybody débi wípé ó tiẹ̀ ní rójú ráyè pé kán wá pín yín gan ìgbọ́ tó tiẹ̀ tí ìròyìn jẹjẹ gbogbo most àwọn ọmọ tó yẹ kán lọ ṣe business àti school àti primary school náà ti di yahoo àti primary school lọ́mọ ti di yahoo ọmọ tó yẹ kó kúrò ní primary school tó ò bá lọ tó bá fẹ́ further mọ̀ kó lọ kọ́ṣẹ́ ọmọ tó wà ní uni ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n á bribe tíṣà ni gbogbo ẹ ti bàjẹ́ ó ti yan rí àánú máa ṣèyàn o àánú máa ṣèyàn ìyá àwọn bá mi ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àti àbúrò mi eléyìí ga eléyìí kọjá bẹ́ẹ̀ ó pa ni lẹ́kún kò ń ṣe wípé ó ṣẹ̀fẹ̀ ó pa èmi lẹ́kún pé ọlọ́run eléyìí á dẹ̀ máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ìlú tán ti ń pe ọlọ́run lójú méjèèjì ní ìlú tí virgin lọ ní ìlú tán ti ń lọ sórí òkè ní ìlú tán ti ń gbàwẹ̀ ní ìlú tán ti ń lọ sí àjì ní ìlú tán kí ló dé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ kí ló dé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan kò yé mi o kò tiẹ̀ yé èèyàn rárá ni kò yé èèyàn rárá ni ẹ wá wo nǹkan tó ń sọ àwọn ọmọ dà màá gbé fídíò kan wá ẹ wo nǹkan tó ń sọ àwọn ọmọ dà ẹ wo nǹkan tó ń sọ àwọn èèyàn dà lórí wípé ebi wọ́n ti wá fi ẹ̀sìn wọ́n ti fi lù wá pa ọmọ kéékèèké tí ò tiẹ̀ tí mọ nǹkan tó fẹ́ wá ṣe láyé ó ti ń lọgun ó ń sunkún àwọn èèyàn ń wọ́ nínú omi ó ń wọ́ nínú ilẹ̀ wọ́n láwọn still náà ojú kan náà ni ó worst lójoojúmọ́ ni èmi ò mọ solution ẹyọ kan ṣo tá a mọ̀ òun náà ni wípé kó ní kálukú pín bó níbi tí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ń lọ ìṣe làwọn èèyàn wá tó wá fi wọ́ lẹ́rọ̀ ń sìn àwọn èèyàn ò rí nǹkan tá a rí o àwọn adẹ̀ pariwo tó bọ̀ kán lè mọ̀ nípa tiwa wípé a ṣe wọn tí oníkálukú lè ṣe ni ìyá mi bá mi ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àtàbúrò mi èmi ọmọ yín náà ní olólùfẹ́ yín ayé ọpẹ́ ọṣẹ́ ọlọ́dọ̀ sí yín náà ní agbára lọ́wọ́ ọlọ́run ayé ọpẹ́ á máa yọ fún wa lórí ọmọ lórí ìdáwọ́lé wa òun láyé ọpẹ́ máa yọ sí wa báwo ni wẹ́dà báwo ló ṣe rí lọ́dọ̀ títí yín àwa ní nice weather lọ́dọ̀ tiwa ní ibi báyìí mo kí wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá wa share fídíò yìí ẹ dẹ̀ má gbàgbé láti bá wa fi kọ́mẹ̀ntì tí yín sílẹ̀ ojú wo lẹ fi wò ó God bless you one love bye for now.